Good day, students. Today we will see chapter number 7, that is joint bar graph. Graph is usually used to represent any information given to us. Joint bar graph means the graph which has two graphs in a single graph, or two different graphs are seen, or there is a comparison between two graphs. When we use a single graph to show comparison between two things, it is called as joint bar graph. Here you can see the example. This is Ajay's wheat production, this is Vijay's wheat production. These are two simple graphs. This is a simple graph, this is a simple graph, and this is the comparison between Ajay and Vijay's wheat production. So this is a joint bar graph where two different data are represented in a single graph. So we will see the practice set now, or the first practice set that we will be seeing is practice set 31. The question says the number of saplings planted by schools on World Tree Day is given in the table below. Draw a joint bar graph to show these figures. We are given saplings name Almond, Karanj, Neem, Ashok and Gulmohar, and the school name are Nutan Vidyalaya and Bharat Vidyalaya. We are given 5 different types of names of saplings or plants, and we are given 2 different schools, and we are supposed to do the comparison. So we will use joint bar graph. This is my x-axis, this is my y-axis. This is the scale, this is origin 0. So smallest value amongst this is 15 and the largest is 60. So what I am taking is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. You can even take 5, 10, 15, 20 and make the graph elongated. I have used 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So seeing here now, minimum is 15. So the graph will be plotted easily. Now first thing that we will be seeing is almond. So this is my first graph, this is my second, this is my third, this is my fourth, this is my fifth. So moving ahead to first one, this is 40, this is 42. So on 40 I have drawn one box, and on 42 I have drawn the other box. Okay, so this is almond. Moving ahead to second one, that is 60 and 38. So 60 and 38, 2 units less than 40. This is a 38. So this is Karanj. Moving ahead to Neem, that is 72 and 60. So 72 and 60. This is Neem. Ashok 15 and 25. So 15 and 25, this is Ashok. And Gulmohar 42 and 40. So this is 40 plus 2, 42, and this is 40. Now if I don't do any designs or shapes in this, there won't be any identification. So what I have used is a sleeping line or cross line for Nutan Vidyalaya, while the plain box represents Bharat Vidyalaya. So this is the way. You need to identify or mark it over here which school is which one. And the other thing that we need to write is scale. On x-axis 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. There are 10 different boxes, 10 different line in between one unit. That is first dark line and the other corresponding dark line. So this represents 10. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 saplings. On the x-axis we have taken number of saplings, while on the y-axis we have taken school name. School name which represents name of sapling. So here I have written name and here is the number, and the school, different school is mentioned over here. So this is your first sum. Hope this is quite clear. Moving ahead to the second one. Second question says the table below shows the number of people who had the different juices at a juice bar on a Saturday and Sunday. Draw a joint bar graph for this data. Fruits are sweet lime, orange, apple and pineapple. Days are Saturday and Sunday. Again, one for this, one for this, one for this, one for this. So there are 4 different data that is given to us. Moving ahead to the solution. This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, this is origin O or 0. You can see both way it is correct. Now here you can see the smallest data is 30 while the biggest is 78. So again I am taking 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Moving ahead to the numbers. First one says 43 and 59. So 40 plus 3 is 43, 59. 1 unit less than 60 or 1 box below 60. This is our 59. So this is for sweet lime. Again for orange it is 30 and 65. So 30 and 65. For apple it is 56 and 78. So 56, 78. 2 units below 80 and 6 units above 50. Moving ahead to pineapple, it is 40 and 67. So 40 and 67 means 3 units below 70. So this is your pineapple. So this is sweet lime, orange, apple and pineapple. Again there are 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. So what I have done is Saturday is my plain while Sunday is being colored or indicated. So this is your Sundays. I have drawn the same thing. So again scale represent 1 centimeter is equal to 10 people. On the x-axis we have taken number of people and here we have taken fruits. Hope this is also clear to you all. Moving ahead to third one, the following number of votes were cast in 5 polling booths during the Gram Panchayat election. Draw a joint bar graph for this data. We are given booth number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 person in men and women and then numbers are given. Here the minimum number is 200 while the maximum I can see is 850. So here I have taken 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 6, 7, 8, 900 up to 900. So again 1 centimeter is equal to 100 votes. $200 and 700. The first one says 200 and 700. So here 200 and 700. The second one has 270, 240. So 270, 240. 560 and 340. So 550 and then one more. So 560. This is 340. 300 above 4. That is 340. This is 820. 800 above it 2 boxes. And 640. And the fifth boot is 850 and 470. So 850 and 470. So here it is 470. 3 boxes below 500. This is my booth 1, booth 2, booth 3, booth 4, booth 5. Again here it was origin. For men I have marked this and for women I have kept it as empty box. This is the number of votes and this is booth number. The maximum and minimum temperatures of 5 Indian cities are given in degrees Celsius. Draw a joint bar graph for this data. Cities are Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Nagpur and Kapurthala and the temperatures given is in maximum temperature and the minimum temperature. So different again 5 different cities are given to us. Again the minimum value over here is 25 while the maximum is 41. So again I have taken 10, 20, 30, 40. This is my x-axis, this is my y-axis, this is origin O or 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Again scale I have used on x-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 degree Celsius. So moving ahead to the first one, that is Delhi. So temperatures given to us are 35 and 26. So 35 and 26. Next is Mumbai, 32 and 25. So 30 above 32 units and 25. Kolkata it is 37 and 26. So 37 and 26. This is the one line here, it is 25, above it is 26. Next is Nagpur, 41 and 29. So one box above 40 is 41, 29. One box below 30 is 29. And Kapurthala it is 37 and 26. So 37 and 26. One box above 25 and for 37 it is 3 boxes below 40. This represents Delhi, this represents Mumbai, this represents Kolkata, Nagpur and Kapurthala. Again, my maximum temperature is the one which is shaded, while the minimum is the empty one, which I have indicated over here. This is very important to indicate which box represent which data. This is the cities or city, and this is the temperature. Moving ahead to the next sum. So the next sum says the number of children vaccinated in one day by at a government hospital in Solapur and Pune are given in the table. Draw a joint bar graph for this data. Vaccine name is given DTP, DPT booster, polio booster, measles and hepatitis, while city names are Solapur and Pune. Again, we can see the minimum data here, it is 60, while the maximum is 89. So again, I am taking 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Likewise, this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis, this is my origin. Again, so first one is GPT, that is 65 and 89. So 65 and 89, one box below 90. The next is 60 and 87. So 60 and 87, 3 box below 90. Next is 65 and 88. So 65, 88, 2 boxes below 90. The other one is 63 and 86. So 3 boxes above 60 and 86, 4 boxes below 90. This is the way. This is DPT, this is polio booster, this is measles, while this is hepatitis. The one which is emptied is Solapur, while the one which is indicated is your Pune. This is the number of children, while this is the name of the vaccine. Moving ahead to the last sum. So the last sum says the percentage of literate people in the states of Maharashtra and Gujarat are given below. Draw a joint bar graph for this data. Years given to us are 1971, 1981, 1991, 2001 and 2011, and the states indicated are Maharashtra and Gujarat. Again, we can see the minimum data given to us amongst this is 40, while the maximum is 83. So again, I am taking 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 for this. So again, scale on x-axis is 1 centimeter is equal to 10% people. Indicated one is for Maharashtra, the other one is for Gujarat. This is my y-axis, this is my x-axis, this is origin O or 0. So first data given to us is 46 and 40. So 46 and the other one is 40. Next one, it is 57 and 45. So 7 boxes above 50 or 3 boxes below 60, 57, and the other one is 45. Next one is 65 and 61, 1 box above 60, 61. The other one is 77 and 69. So 77, 3 boxes below 80, and 69, 1 box below 70. The other one is 2011 for 11. It is 83 and 79. So 3 boxes above 80 and 1 box below 80. That is 79. Again, I have already told you all the indicated one is for Maharashtra, while the plain one is for Gujarat. This represent data for 1971, 1981, 1991, 2001 and 2011. On x-axis we have taken year. On y-axis we have taken percentage of literate people. So here you can write 10%, 20%, 30%, 40, 50, 60, 70 in percent also. So along with this the explanation for this chapter gets completed. In the earlier sums I have by mistakenly told the y-axis as x-axis. So see accordingly. That was my slip of tongue and I am sorry for that. That's all for today. Thank you.